We are going to take your hand during around 90 minutes. We travel a lot. We'll try not to lose you on the way. It's going to be a bit bumpy. This show is about reconnection with nature and about our future.
Bioscientists call them pteropods. What a funny name.
They contribute to fertilizing the phytoplankton. Each whale recycles tons of nutrients.
Insects are not just pests. They are essential workers in the web of life. They pollinate our crops, providing us with the fruits and vegetables we enjoy daily. Apples, tomatoes, peaches, cucumbers, cherries.
In southeast of India, a large natural farming program has started a few years ago. The soil was so depleted in organic life after decades of fertilizers and pesticides